Jam Capital welcomes you back. And today we're going to be speaking about 8 charts that support lower interest rates and Kevin Warsh as the Fed chair, including 3 Forex charts that represent a risk-on environment, the 10-year yield, the Dow Utilities, the S&P, and NVIDIA. All right, let's get to those 3 Forex charts. First one being the euro dollar. As we can see, support has been hit and resistance up to 1.206. Same thing here with the pound dollar. Support levels are within reach and a resistance close to a yearly high. Let's talk about the dollar yen. Same situation here. The dollar yen is in a diagonal pattern which looks to be breached via the top trend line. Now, let's look at the 10-year yield to support the risk-on environment. And as you can tell by these 2 trend lines, it's likely that the 10-year yield is going to shoot up past 4.5 with ease. Now, let's look at the Dow Utilities. The Dow Utilities we see here is a 5-wave sequence has been completed, and likely a resistance level of 1,172 would be hit before support level down here at the 1,077. And now let's look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. And as we can see here, the March lows, we have a 4-wave completed sequence. But what's special about this is this is not extended, meaning wave 5 is likely to hit 7,300. Now confirming that is with NVIDIA, and as we can tell here with NVIDIA, all-time highs are likely to be breached or possibly blown through towards a resistance level of 232. And finally, let's look at an S&P forecast. This is an S&P E-mini futures forecast. We see the 7,300 level being hit, followed by a support level of 6,880 or 6,900, and then 8,000 becomes our resistance. All of those 8 charts explain how the Fed is going to boom this economy.